this is Julia and the latest Forex news. Asian stock markets are exhibiting a mixed trend on Wednesday, failing to sustain gains from the previous session, as data released overnight showed an unexpected contraction in US manufacturing activity. Investors also turned cautious ahead of key events later in the week, including the European Central Bank's monetary policy decision on Thursday and the US monthly jobs report due on Friday. The Australian market is down with modest losses despite the release of better-than-expected GDP data. Retailer stocks are notably lower. In late morning trades, the benchmark ASX 200 index is declining 0.46%. In the currency market, the Australian dollar is higher against the US dollar on Wednesday after the RBA left the cash rate unchanged and also following the release of strong housing data on Tuesday. In early trades, the local unit was trading at 0.7336 US dollars, up from 0.7258 US dollars on Monday. US dollar traded in the upper 122 yen range on Wednesday, up slightly from Tuesday's close in Tokyo. WTI crude oil for January rose 20 cents to 41.85 US dollars a barrel on the New York Mercantile Exchange. Today, the ADP employment report will provide fresh perspective for deciding if the US macro trend still points to a rate hike at this month's Federal Open Market Committee meeting. US ADP employment report, 1:15 p.m. GMT. The market will be eager to read today's ADP report on private sector payrolls for November. The release will bring more context for deciding if the central bank will start squeezing monetary policy. Econoday.com's consensus forecast sees the ADP benchmarks increase in November as essentially matching the previous month's rise of 183,000. That's a decent, if unspectacular gain that's in line with the monthly increases we've seen in recent history for this data set.